Camlever bucket boots are relatively easy to install. They can easily be attached by one person in addition to the forklift or crane operator. Bring your Camlever bucket to a proper working height. Place your 2 attachment pins on the bucket for easy access prior to alignment of the boot. Position the boot vertically underneath the bucket. Lower your Camlever bucket to the level that allows you to align the pin brackets on the top of the boot with the pin brackets on the bottom of the bucket gate. Slide the pins through the bracket on both sides and secure them with the cotter pins provided. You now have your bucket boot securely installed.